So on these Beckett oil controls, there's actually a capacitor for the motor located in that little compartment right there, screwed into the housing right there. And I already removed it and pulled it out. It is a 20 microfarad, and it does seem to be bad, so I think that's why the burner's not coming on. When you try to bring it on, it just sits there and goes brrr, and you can hear the igniter go, but it's not moving any air, so clearly a problem with the blower motor assembly. But I think it's just a bad capacitor. We're going to replace it with a large 20 microfarad capacitor, and we'll have to extend the leads so that we can actually plug these wires into those really short brown wires on the assembly, and then plug these wires onto the capacitor. So I now have it hooked up here, and you can see how those just plug into the adapters. And we'll give it a little test run, see if it is working. Let's throw my jumper wire on from R to W. So before, when it would try to bring on the blower, it would just do nothing. Nice, there we go. So now you can hear it's actually blowing air. And we should hear it light after a moment here. There it went. It is now burning. So that's good. Fairly basic component to replace, but if you didn't know that these had a capacitor on them somewhere, it could lead to some difficulty in troubleshooting this, or you might accidentally replace the whole blower, which would work, but in this case it's just a capacitor. So I just have it mounted up here to the sidewall. Don't think it's going to be a problem. Also, if you can, it's nice to write what nozzle is in here and what size. This one is a 0.75 gallon per hour, 80 degree solid, or B type cone, and I wrote that in there a couple years ago so that if we needed to get a replacement, it would be easy to get a replacement. So we're not going to do anything else to this burner today, just that, and yeah, we should be good to go.